Well, hey guys, how are you? It's Summer with Summer Sweet Shop with you again today. We are going to be doing some Valentine's cookies. These are easy conversation cookies that you can make for teachers, for your kids, for any special Valentine in your life. Today I'm using my sugar cookie recipe along with my royal icing recipe that can be found both inside my online course, which is my Cookie Academy Lite. You can get more information about that below, but it is my online course for beginners to take you from start to finish how to decorate your sugar cookies and make your sugar cookies. So you can check out the more below, but let's go ahead and get started. These you could do an assortment of colors. As we know, Brock's Conversation Hearts come in all different colors. Typically these like 6 colors that you see here, plus I think orange is the only one I didn't do. I'm going to turn this upside down because I like to do hearts upside down. I know it sounds funny, but I find it much easier to go in a downward motion than it is to go up. So I'm going to outline these. I'm using a number 2 tip here on the end of my bag. And this is outline icing that is like the consistency of toothpaste. So just remember that when you are making your icing and you're getting that right consistency. You see how far away I am from the cookie. You want to pull up away from the cookie is the trick there. It's going to give you more control over your icing. I know it's hard to believe that, but it really is true. Now I'm going to fill in my heart with my flood icing. This is like maple syrup. You're going to fill in that adorable heart with your flood icing. And then we'll do our pink heart down here as well. And again, I'm using a number 2 tip on it as well. And I'm going to pull up away from the cookie and follow around the edge. If you have lines like that, you can just scrape it off and start over, or start from where you messed up. Now I'm going to take my icing. This is my flood icing again. It is like maple syrup, and you're just going to fill it in for your heart cookie. You want to make sure you have that like nice puffy icing for your heart cookies, and then you just flip them back around. So you're going to let them dry in front of a fan for about 1 to 2 hours, or if you're using a dehydrator, you're going to put them in for about 15 to 20 minutes. You do, once they are done, like you do want to let them dry for about 8 hours. Leave them out so that they can get nice and hard, because you don't want to stencil them and risk putting your finger in them once they are done. But once they are completely dry, you're going to have them here. You're going to take your airbrush machine, and I'm going to put red in mine, because you always have the red font on your conversation hearts. And I am going to, I've got my stencil here. I've got these really cute Cutie Pie, Ask Me, All Mine, and Real Love. I'm using my Stencil Genie today. So I've got my Stencil Genie there. I'm going to use my Silk Screen as well. You can use your Screen Genie or not. But these are both from the Creative Cookier. Oh, it helps if I put my stencil down there. And then pop it into place like so. And then I'm going to do, let's see, we'll do Cutie Pie on this one here. And I'm just going to hold it down with one hand, and the other hand I'm going to take my airbrush gun and stencil just right over the cookie. I'm going to lift it up gently. And there I have my Cutie Pie. It's kind of off center, but that's just kind of the same way it is on a pack. And then we're going to do the All Mine down here. If the stencil is not over far enough, you can move it over just a tad like that, so that it has enough space. The stencil is from 2T Stencils. I will have the link below so that you can grab the stencil. They do actually have other ones. This one comes in a pack of 2. So you have 8 all together. And they have a whole assortment. Like if you want Valentine's ones, or if you want more risque ones, all kinds of different ones that you can use. But that is how you do your conversation hearts. And then you can package these up and put them in a box. This is a 10 by 7 box. It makes for a really, really cute Valentine's Day gift. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 cute little hearts. These are about the size small is what I would consider them to be. So they're not minis, but they're not an average size cookie. They're a little bit bigger than that. But once you have them in there, you can just place the lid on these. These are from BRP Box Shop. You can see the link there down below of where you can grab it. You can put a little ribbon on it, have a little sweetheart tag. So it's like the Brock's Conversation Sweethearts that you can give as a gift to your best friend, to your classmates, to anyone special Valentine in your life. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this super fun class to learn how to make these Valentine's Conversation Heart cookies. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can hit the bell button below so that you get notified when all of my new videos, any of my new videos drop. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you next time.